Welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to lock apps on Infinix Smart 8. So the first thing you have to do is to click steadily on your phone. So right here, click on the settings option. Before now, a year ago, we had two options here. We had the hide apps option and we have on hidden recent apps. But looking at this option now, you see that recently Infinix Smart 8 has removed hide apps option. The only way you can lock your apps on your Infinix Smart 8 is to go out from this option. So right here, you have to go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and download app lock. So right here, this is my app lock. Create a pattern for this app lock. So now the next thing you have to do is to select the particular app you want to lock. So looking at all this app, they are under unlock. So if I want to lock any of the app, I just have to click on it and it will be locked immediately. Next thing I have to do is to go out from this. You can set your recovery method. You want to recover it through email or security questions. Select the apps that you want to lock. It has been locked. As you click on it, it will be locked automatically. So guys, that is it on how to lock app on your Infinix Smart 8. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, you can see the list of apps that I lock. If it was, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.